Hey y'all, my name is Steve, and today I want to show you how to make a video as your lock screen on your iPhone. It's really a cool feature. I'm going to show you how to do it. I want you to go to your App Store and open it. And then at the search, I want you to type in IntoLive, INTOLIVE, IntoLive. It'll appear at the top. Tap it. You may have to scroll just a little bit, but right there it is, IntoLive, live wallpapers. So tap the download button, and it may take just a little bit to download, but we'll wait. It's free, by the way. There are in-app purchases. All right, once you get the open button, go ahead and open that app up. And it's going to give you some notices there, and you can go through those. Live wallpaper for iPhone. I'm going to click next. Make live photos with ease. What you're actually going to do, I'm going to take a video that I've got on my phone, and I'm going to turn it into a live photo. Add styles. And right here is going to give you just a quick directions on how to make it your wallpaper. But let's go ahead and tap Getting Started. And it's going to ask for access to your photos. Tap OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I am going to grab a video. I'm going to grab this one right here. This is actually my grandson, and he's at a basketball game. And there's a lot of different things you do. I'm not going to go into all these. These are some of the things you can play with. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch this video, and I'm going to open it up a little bit. That's a better view for me, okay? So there are different things you can do down at the bottom. You can just do different colors and put filters on it, and like that's the original filter. I could put this filter on it. I could tap another filter. I could tap another filter, but I'm just going to go back to the original, the way it looked original. So there's a lot of things you can do, but let's just stick to the what we have it matter here. Up at the top right, I'm going to tap Make. So I have options here. Now this is a free app, but if you buy the Pro feature, you can get these. You can make it repeat 2, 3, or 5 times. I'm going to hit No Repeat. Now it's going to prepare that video into a live photo. So there it is. It is now a live photo. Down at the bottom, I am going to save that live photo, and it's going to pop a little ad up because I guess that's how they pay for everything. It's going to save it to my camera roll, and right here it's going to briefly tell you how to set up a live wallpaper. But instead of looking at that, let me just go show you. So I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to tap Settings. I'm going to scroll down to Wallpaper. Tap Wallpaper. Now it says choose a new wallpaper. Now remember, I just saved it, so that's going to be the last one in my camera roll. So there it is, live photo on. Now to set that, I'm going to hit Set. I'm going to set lock screen. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and black out of it. I'm going to hit the open it. And now if you will take a finger, press and hold on the screen. Now you have made your video. We'll press and hold again. You have made that video into your lock screen. So to summarize, we've taken a video, we've created, okay? And now it's on our lock screen. All right, that's it. It's really easy. Just download that free app. Hope this helps, and I will see you again when I make another video.